In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and most beneficent, I am very obliged to most honorable, reverenced and well-qualified peoples that you give a marvelous and outstanding chance to express my views on the below given subject. Kashmir is an integral part of Pakistan. I will prefer to initiate this mega speech with great pride and honor to be true Pakistani from head to toe. No matter how much the world may deny the truth, no matter how much the UNO may delay the case, no matter how much India may live in dreams, but it is a pain in the name of United Nations organization. It is a big blow on the democracy of India and world. Kashmir is integral part of Pakistan. Kashmir was integral part of Pakistan, and Kashmir will ever be a part of Pakistan. Mr. President, since independence of Pakistan according to Separation Covenant of Indo-Pak, the areas of the majority of Muslims would be given to Muslims. Thus, God provided every part of Kashmir. Kashmir has been earned since time immemorial in blood and body, in bone and in soul. It was never of such devils who is proven to be demons of dark, and the plague is poured on the democracy, so-called democrats of world. But the monarchs, aristocrats, Babylonians, barbers in the beast of 21st century, the scientific age, where age-old rituals of slaves have perished. Today, the souls are born free, the minds are nourished free, the humans are independent by thoughts, by idea, by talk, by wishes, by birth. So how can India, which has to be demolished by us in her fortune, how can she snatch us Kashmir, yours Kashmir, Kashmir of every Kashmiri, Mr. President, Kashmir of every Kashmiri. It is the sword of Damocles for India, neither to be sold nor vomited out. The day is not far. We will snatch Kashmir from them as a falcon's hunt, as a lion's grip by roaring as Pakistan defeated them in 1965 with a thundering sound. Mr. India, you are gone. Mr. India, you are dead. Mr. India, you are to perish. Mr. India, you are going to doom. Boom, boom, boom. We will surely get Kashmir back either you lose or snooze. We will doom you with the bomb of Takbir, the nuclear bomb of Pakistan. Either you fight a war of missiles or dialogues, either morally, socially, economically, or to come to Tlum. The Tlum is final. Quit Kashmir. Pack your bag and baggages. Move towards your destiny. Mr. President, Kashmir was ours yesterday in accordance to treaty of UNO, in accordance to history, and in accordance to religion. Coming to bottom line, I would like to sum up by saying, गौर कर लो भारत जी, मोरिक नहीं शातिर हो तुम, खेल खेला ताप करी असले से तो सुनो, हिरोशिमा नागासाकी बन के रह जाओगे.